Hi, this is Mark Walser with Kodak Real Estate. Okay, I'm continuing part 2 of our series on how to use the Arcsoft Media Impression software, which is the free video editing software that comes with the Kodak PlayTouch, PlaySport, and ZI-8. Now, last time we covered the video editing features of how to do some basic video editing by highlighting a video and then using this video editor button. We're now going to make a movie and actually show you how you can create like a virtual tour or a neighborhood video tour or something like that. Now, a couple of things. I'm going to go ahead and remove this just to kind of show you how to start with this. It does give you your starting and your ending captions when you start this process. You can actually highlight your video. So in this case, I'm doing that, and then you can drag it right in. And then notice what it does. It puts it right in there. So I'll go ahead and drag both of these down in there. Okay. And then first things first, let's go ahead and title the video. So here's your caption. Just click this little blue arrow and then hit Modify Title. And it'll pull open the slide. And then just type New Movie by Mark. And then you can do whatever you want. So in this case, I might actually put our Kodak store here for real estate agents as a way of promoting that. You can, of course, put your own website in there and kind of intro your movies that way. You change the background color too if you want. Just pull up the color palette and create that. I could use Kodak Gold, for example. And now the background is that nice gold color. So whatever you want to do, you can do. And I'll save it. Now if you go over here to the video, this is hopefully where you've edited that video a little bit and you've got what you want. You can actually add a caption right on the video. So this is San Alejo Hills where I live, and this is the fountain in the town square. So I could actually put a caption on the video. Notice this, you can play it, and as you play it, it kind of fast forwards through it. Okay, so here's where I want to put the caption. I'm going to go ahead and click right in there, and notice I have Tahoma 30 point selected, so I'll go ahead and type in beautiful fountain, great place to have a picnic on the weekend. Okay, and then you can actually create as many of these as you want, but I'll make this part smaller so it stands out a little bit. And there you go. And then you can move that around like you would a text box in Word to where you think it'll show up the best. And then notice it's going to show up on this blue area here. So this part of the video is where it's going to show. See that? And then it disappears. Now if you want it to go longer, just go to these green slider bars and just drag it out a little bit. And now when we go back and play that again, see how it will show up now for a longer period of time. So this is how you can put some easy captions on your videos. And I'll go ahead and save this, and you can change the color of that text and so forth. So you can just keep doing this, and you can add transitions to the video. You can add more of these captions if you'd like. So one thing you could do here is you could see how it says insert text frame before. So let's say that you were on this slide and you wanted to put a frame between these, right? So in my case, I could just put a frame before. That's what I did. Hit that blue, hit insert text frame. It puts that in there. Now I just double click, and there's nothing here. So I just click into it. And then I can go ahead and start adding whatever I want. So if I want to add, caption to it or what have you, that would probably be the easiest way to modify it. Just put my caption in there. Go. Now check out the fountain again. And now your video shows that. And so now if you want to play a preview of this, just hit the preview button, and then it'll sort of render and start queuing the video for you, as you can see here in the top pane. And you see there's all my, I can just kind of fast forward through. You get the idea. It's just all of my basic stuff that I put in is now showing here and is able to be previewed. So I'll go ahead and stop it. And then now let's say I'm ready to share it. I'll go ahead and hit save and share. And when I hit that, I now have the option of publishing it for playback. And I would recommend you do this always. Save a copy to your hard drive first. And then you can come back and save and share and upload it to YouTube, Facebook, or email it, or whatever you want to do. But if you have the basic copy, just in case the video is too big for YouTube or Facebook, or if there's some issue that happens with it, you have the basic one that you made saved. So that's the first thing I'd do, is just publish this for playback right on the computer. Okay, and so I'll actually go ahead and do that and save it, even though it's kind of raw and really sort of a dumb video. But at least it'll give you an idea that we actually did create this, and I'll post that up as well, just as a sample. All right, thanks everybody for your time, and as always, visit our Kodak real estate deal site to get 20% off or more on all of our products, including the PlayTouch video camera, and check out the new wide-angle lens accessory too. And I hope this little tutorial on Arcsoft really helped you out.